Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's MzJwan here, and as the title says, today we are going to do protein treatment for my natural hair. And I have type 4C, and it's not long, it's in the medium stages, so it depends on the quantity that you need to put in your hair. So I got 2 eggs and I got the Hellman's mayonnaise. I also added pure honey to it, and I just mixed all of them together. For my hair has been breaking a little bit, so I just decided to do the protein treatment. And then to add a little bit moisture to my hair, I added the Yourgan conditioner to it. So I set this aside and then I moved on to washing of my hair. So I got this Yourgan shampoo. I'll put their info down in the description box below. And my god, I should tell you, it's so sweet. Yes, I use the word sweet. It makes the hair so easy to wash and there are no breakages, and I love it. I really love it. And as you can see, it made my hair so shaky, just even the shampoo, so you can imagine the conditioner. I prepped my hair for the protein treatment by applying apple cider vinegar mixed with water. So here I am applying the protein treatment to my hair, and oh my god, the curls are just starting to come into shape, and so after this I just put my hair into twists, and then I covered it with the plastic bag, and just to keep the heat inside. I didn't apply any artificial heat. 45 minutes later, I washed the treatment out of my hair, and as you can see, my hair is now very good. I applied the Yourgan conditioner to my hair for more moisture, and here I am after washing it. I towel dried it. I know people say use t-shirts, but I just love the towel, I don't know. And here I am applying the Cantu leave-in conditioner. I applied drops of argan oil to it to lock in moisture. So I'm applying the leave-in conditioner to my hair, and to lock in more moisture, I applied the argan oil from Yourgan Moroccan argan oil to lock in the moisture in my hair. So I'm scrunching it, scrunch, yeah. So after this, I go ahead and then I do the protective style. So that I do flat twist, or I do twist or bantu knots. So today I'm doing twist, so you can do whatever style you want to. And that's it, guys. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Live, love, and be happy. Bye.